All right, family. All right, good day to you. Welcome back to feels fresh, new, and I'm super happy. To be honest, this is I don't know. I'll just feel free with you guys. I feel like everything, like you guys, I don't know. Doing this is one thing that kind of makes me happy. Kind of fills my heart with happiness. To be very honest. Oh, that's a rhyme. All right, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's been a while, and then I have missed you guys. Well, imagine audience. Well, definitely, I definitely know there are some of you guys there that truly do care, and I am so sorry. All this why for not dropping any video, for not responding to the emails, because I actually had someone and few guys actually come into my DM to ask for assistance regarding one or two issues. For example, I'm sorry if I don't know if I should mention your name, but I'll just mention your first name, Steven. I recognize and I actually saw your message, but yeah, basically I've just been through a lot myself, and I just needed time to get things more like my ship was steering away and just back to back eating, and then yeah, I'm just super happy that things are kind of lessening down. And yeah, to be very honest, I've been a little bit depressed. A little bit, a tiny little bit, due to the fact that I've not been able to draw videos for a while now, and I am working on it, promising, so to say. Let me make a commitment. Yes, I am promising you guys that from now on I will be dropping videos that would be of assistance. So yes, so what has been the thing that have happened so far? So um number one, I actually had issues with my Upwork account. I had issues with few clients. I had issues with my Fiverr account, and then everything was just rushing to me. I had some bad reviews. My GSS kind of reduced. I'm giving rhymes. Damn. Also, my Fiverr account, my GSS kind of came down. It's a level 2 account, by the way. And then Fiverr gave me a warning that I need to increase it back because I think it was 8 before, and then it suddenly reduced to 6 due to one issue or the other, which I will be explaining later on, probably in a separate video, how I got to increase my GSS from the 6 it fell to the 7 it says now. That is, I was warned by Fiverr that I needed to. Today is 22 of September. Oh, yeah, I'll try to, as much as possible to try to post this video today. But at the making of this video, just in case I don't post it today, because editing is also in there. Um, Today would have been the day Fiverr warned me that I needed to increase my GSS. If not, I would be back to probably level 1 or a new seller. And then I was just running Elter Skelter. Of course, I was on the seat, but in my head, I was running Elter Skelter, and everything was just a little bit overwhelming. I was like, okay, how do I do this? Plus, I have other responsibilities outside of freelancing to take care of, and then it was to me, it felt like a lot. To some people, it may not feel like a lot. So, what is this ranting all about? Yeah, this is just to apologize. Yes. Regardless, I understand that you guys, one of the biggest currency that I can ever ask for, which you guys are paying, is your attention. So, and then even if I own the YouTube account, of course, there's no YouTube account without you guys. There is nothing that would make a YouTube account successful without the subscribers. And yes, I am deeply sorry. I apologize. And just like I have said in a previous video, and yes, also regarding, well, maybe that's a story for another day. I I never thought, okay, I knew it was going to come, to be honest, but I never thought it would affect me because I felt like I was prepared for it. I actually had guys that were against, kind of antagonizing or attacking, so to say. Um, but anyways, yeah, just like a video I've released previously regarding some this thing. So I'll try as much as possible to make researches on things that people need and help, and I will try my best in the way I can. I cannot promise I would be able to answer questions or offer assistance in every way. I'll try my best in however way I can to offer assistance in little ways that could further help your freelancing career to grow. So a lot of things. I have some content that I'll probably be posting very soon, regarding things in terms of platform, in terms of um, you know, mindsets. Let's just keep it. There's a reverse saying in my language that says, don't forget. Ayeshemeye Bolapo. So yeah, we're just getting started, and I'm super happy. I'm very delighted that I am on camera once again. Like woo! I'm super happy, and yes, I will just see how this can actually go up, and then see how it goes. So just to tell you guys that I really love you. And I apologize. So give me a hug. Alright, so see you guys later on in the next video. So I'll be dropping a video soon on my experience. Upwork blocked my suspended my account, so to say, why it got suspended and how I was able to bring it back up. In fact, the reason why it got suspended was something I never thought could be an issue, but it became an issue, and then yeah, that's just it. And also my Fiverr account also, that you know, the GSS came down because I noticed that with the new Fiverr rating system, a lot of people have issues with ranking it back up. Like how to bring up, how to increase your I don't know if it's called GSS, but your gig success score something. Yeah, because I'm kind of used to Upwork, that's why I'm using GSS, but I think it's similar. So how I was able to like bring it up, because people have issues with, how do I increase my Fiverr, success score. So some of the mistakes I made as well, because definitely I made some mistakes too. Everything that just happened didn't just happen because it just happened, or like, or village people after me. Yeah, some of them are actually my mistakes, and then so you guys don't repeat the same mistakes, I would be listing some of the mistakes I made, and then I was able to like bounce back up, or I'm bouncing back up on it. So thank you very much, and then see you guys soon. Alright, so don't forget once again to subscribe to the YouTube channel, share whichever video that actually works for you, and like the video. Comment below if there's anything you need assistance on. I'll be so much glad to offer assistance on it. Yes, if you have any questions as well, please feel free to ask. I would respond to all messages very soon. So thank you very much, and see you guys. Peace.